Hey people, today we're making a 10-minute bread pudding. This is a must try. So add milk to a vessel and add the sugar. Now give it a stir and start the flame on low. Wait till the milk nearly comes to a boil and then add in the butter. Now mix that in, and after it's completely dissolved, add in the bread and dunk it in using a spoon till all is dipped in the milk, and then sprinkle the spices and the raisins or sultanas. You could use nuts. Cover partially and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then uncover and you can check it with a spoon or so if it's done, and switch off the gas. Now let the pudding be a little wet because you don't want it to dry completely. Now cover and let it cool down, or you could serve it hot, or you can cool it in the fridge and serve, and it tastes amazing cold as well. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to comment and subscribe if you like the videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.